Hi and welcome to MemeCoins Cracked. My name is Demetrius and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this trading course that you're going to be able to generate from $2 up to 10x, 5x, 50x. It all has been done with the strategies that I'm going to be teaching you inside this course. It's specifically made for beginners not understanding how to meme coin trade, which is nothing to do with day trading. So if you're coming from day trading or if you've never traded before, then trust me, this is perfect for you. Now, a few months ago, I was actually in the trenches trying to figure out how the meme coin trading scene actually works. I've lost a lot of money because I've been rug pulled, which means I was scammed 99% of the time, me being in this industry. It's a very volatile industry, but it's an industry that's very popular. And we're talking about popular as in everybody that's trading on there are making thousands, millions, hundreds. I've seen it all. But you can also lose easily. People consider this as a gambling industry, but it really isn't. There's a science behind it, and it's basically based on psychological levels and designs of charts. But not only that, you can actually make a profit on each trade that you take with minimal risk. I am somebody that's been in the trenches. I've seen everything. I came out with a strategy. I came out with filters. I came out with a simple system where you can ride the crypto waves for profits on each trade. I will help you avoid rug pulls and scams and save you money and time into finding what chart or meme coin you should go in and trade. Now, meme coins are something that has zero value. 99% of these coins actually go to zero. So by saying that, then you going blindly or trying to learn what I was able to learn, it will take you a long time. You need a lot of time, effort, you need the resources, you need the budget. I had the budget, I had the resources, I had the inside alpha groups, the training, and it turns out that even those don't really matter at this point in time. Not only works, but it's powerful. It's a system that you can go in with $2 minimum and double that, or quadruple that, or 5x it, or 10x it. I've seen results where I didn't expect to make that much back, but the ROI is huge. And if you're consistent, it adds up. And this was made with the idea that I am working on a budget friendly that I'm going to be using to spend on trading meme coins. In a minute, I'm going to take you inside a real live trading session where I'm able to generate some profit right before your eyes. I'm going to find a coin, then I'm going to go in without doing any research. Okay, I'm just going to look at the charts. I'm going to draw a couple of indicators that I'm using. I figured out a nice little cool trick to take advantage of the meme coin trading scene. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Telegram bot. This is a Telegram bot that I'm using. And I'm going to put like 0.05 Solana. And I'm not going to buy yet. Okay, I can see that FUD right now. I'm at 718. And look at that, I've got another one I'm making 118 right there right now. So we're at 718 profit from a $13 trade. I'm waiting for it to go to a position where I feel comfortable in selling. And this is all from one chart that I picked without doing any research, by using some filters that I've got set up and a few indicators that are telling me exactly what to see and when to buy and when to sell so I can make some profits. Okay, it's going. And like I said, I've got a level where I'm looking at where I'm going to take my profits when it gets to that point. There we go. It's going. And I'm going to sell right here. Boom. Okay. So right now, I'm going to go into my positions. Let's see what we made from this. Because look, I think it's going to drop. See how it just stopped going back? And here's my... Okay, so let's go to trading history. And I made $9.97 on a $13. And this is the simple method of riding the crypto waves for profits using the specific filters and indicators that I'm using so I can manually go in and out in less than 5 minutes. I've had results from students actually making results as soon as they had access to MemeCoins Cracked. Students that never traded before. Students that hate the crypto industry. Students that couldn't understand how to trade meme coins in general. And everybody's doing it wrong. Everybody's doing it wrong. What I have here is a system that if you start investing small money, it will be consistent enough to help you build a portfolio, but not only that, to earn you profits on a daily basis. Now, this isn't we buy a meme coin and hold it and hope for the best to become millionaires. Could happen. This is more of getting in, getting out, being emotionless, no attachment to the coins, just making sure you take any profit that you can immediately, because there's another meme coin that's about to launch in the next second of every hour. It never stops. So what I put together here in MemeCoins Cracked is something that's probably going to change the way that you actually see meme coins, how to study the charts, how to actually take trades with minimal risk. This is not gambling. This is based on science and psychological levels. This is an amazing course that I'm looking forward for you to joining us and me, and I'll be there for you for any type of support. I'm here to help you. There's a big pie for everybody. Take the advantage right now where MemeCoin Cracked is basically a hot subject, because even Trump created his own meme coin. Even he created his family for Melania. They've all got meme coins out there. I've got my own meme coins as well. For more inside MemeCoins Cracked, please scroll down the sales page so you can see real testimonials from real users, my results that are based on my own trading sessions. And you'll see it all inside the MemeCoins Cracked with all the proof that you need to take the confidence to go out and test out this market with minimal risk. For the first time ever, this is minimal risk based on what I have. So, looking forward to seeing you inside MemeCoins Cracked. This is one of the best courses that has to do with crypto trading for you to earn a profit on a daily basis. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you inside MemeCoins Cracked.